500 drones, 210 minutes, 4 Indian states, 24 cities. Defense sources map Pakistan's brazen attack. Daring to set out on a brazen misadventure on May 8 night, Pakistan launched 500 small drones in a span of a little above 200 minutes with a nefarious aim to target 24 Indian cities, defense sources said on Friday. The states Pakistan targeted yesterday included Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Rajasthan, and Gujarat. Around 50 of these drones were destroyed by air defense guns, while around 20 were brought down through soft kills. Pakistan launched the drone attacks between 8 p.m. and 11:30 p.m. on Thursday, getting a befitting response from the Indian Armed Forces. The Indian Air Defense System, powered by Russia-made S-400 and domestically made Akash, countered the drone threats and shot them down before even a single of them could touch the Indian soil and create mayhem. Merely one drone managed to hit Jammu Civil Airport last evening. Most of the drone sources were unarmed, according to defense sources. They were fitted with cameras and possibly relaying footage to their ground stations. Indian air defense systems took out almost all the drones which could have caused damage to infrastructure during last night's attack. Watch around 500 drones were launched towards Indian positions by the Pakistan Army last night, which were sighted at 24 locations from Siachen base camp in Ladakh to Kutch area in Gujarat. Around 50 of these drones were destroyed by air defense guns, while around 20 were picked. Twitter.com 5 Kwan Yi 5 on May 9, 2025. Meanwhile, the Indian military retaliated with strong force and dispatched its drones into the heart of Pakistan, its capital city of Islamabad, Punjab province's largest city of Lahore, and Sialkot. Thursday's confrontation comes after the Indian government said earlier in the day that it launched drone strikes into Pakistan in response to Pakistan's attempts to engage Indian military targets in northern and western India on the night of May 78. These were neutralized by the integrated counter-UAS grid and air defense systems. The debris of these attacks is now being recovered from a number of locations that prove the Pakistani attacks, the Ministry of Defense said yesterday. Today morning, Indian Armed Forces targeted air defense radars and systems at a number of locations in Pakistan. Indian response has been in the same domain with same intensity as Pakistan. It has been reliably learnt that an air defense system at Lahore has been neutralized, it added. Swipe left for next video. Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri said at a press briefing yesterday that India's May 7 response to the Pahalgam terror attack was not the escalation, as dubbed by Pakistan, but rather the April 22 attack in Kashmir was the original escalation. As far as we are concerned, the individuals eliminated at these facilities were terrorists, he had said. Latest blogs